Okay, the question should be, why are we listening to this music here at Schaefer's Off-Road? Well, we'll walk over and we'll ask the man that owns the iPod that's plugged in why we're listening to this music. Could it be because that's what he listens to when he's TIG welding? Why are we listening to this music, Dan?
Huh?
Why are we listening to this music?
Mix it up.
Is that what it takes to get welds like that?
It's part of it. And two good eyes.
You ever play Gran Turismo? It's the same music when you pick in the car. All Dan would be able to think about is TIG welding if he was playing